Cabbage benefits, a multifaceted health blessing. Cabbage, resembling kale in appearance, boasts numerous health benefits that make it a vital component of many people's diets worldwide. Rich in essential nutrients and vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, potassium, and folate, cabbage stands out as a nutritional powerhouse. Nutrient-rich, cabbage contains a wide range of essential nutrients crucial for bodily health, including vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, potassium, and folate. Antioxidant powerhouse. Packed with antioxidant compounds like carotenoids, flavonoids, and vitamins, cabbage protects cells from free radical damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Immune system support. The significant amounts of vitamin C in cabbage have anti-inflammatory properties, strengthening the immune system and enhancing the body's ability to resist diseases. Digestive health. Being a good source of dietary fiber, cabbage improves the digestive process and reduces gastrointestinal issues such as constipation and diarrhea. Low in calories. Despite its high nutritional value, cabbage is low in calories, making it suitable for those seeking weight loss or weight maintenance. Bone health support. Thanks to its vitamin K content, cabbage plays a crucial role in supporting bone health and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Cardiovascular protection. Cabbage contains compounds that help lower levels of harmful cholesterol in the blood, reducing the risk of heart and vascular diseases. Conclusion. In summary, cabbage stands as a healthy and nourishing choice that should be incorporated into daily diets. Regular consumption allows individuals to reap its diverse health benefits, maintaining overall well-being. Moreover, its versatility, whether cooked, roasted, or fresh in salads, makes it a flexible and easy addition to daily meals.